This is the 1995 facelift Nissan Primera P10. We have followed some practice of maintenance onto the front, rear and medium compartments of the external of the vehicle, starting from the front, the hood, the fenders left and right, the bumper, the mask have been waxed with a professional liquid from the internet market, applied with a very soft sponge, and initially there was an application of plastiline onto the car for the rigid areas to be smoothened, and then we applied the very liquid wax. The result, as you can see on the reflection of the sunshine, even though it's a 28 years vehicle, 28 and a half years age old vehicle, I think the reflection is somewhere between 60 to 70% of satisfactory level, and we can only procedurally maintain an eminent for the perfection of the paint on the front hood and in all of the exterior of the car. So there was this application of the plastiline and the liquid wax also to the front bumper. You can see the whole surface to the sides, onto the ceiling of the car, the upper area of the car, the air wing, the rear side, the left rear fender, the rear bumper, the vertical formation of the license plate. All of the car has been applied with plastiline first, and then waxed with a liquid professional item from the internet bot. We have also applied a special liquid for the plastic rejuvenation, for the plastic renewal, because they have suffered a lot of, let's say, friction being in the open, under the rain, the snow, the sun, and so on. So we have also rejuvenated the plastic perimeter of the windows and the mirrors in order for them to be in a proper state, and even sun shining in the first days. Of course, to the compartment here of the meeting point of the front window with the hood, we have applied this plastic rejuvenation liquid. And afterwards, after renewing the plastic helmets, we have applied a special liquid for the cleaning of the windows, because this very car under the cover is getting some dirt, and the windows have to be always in a proper state, clean and visual. We have also maintained the wheels. We have applied a special liquid from the internet market to the sachis. You can see all four of them, to the front rear, to the front right, to the rear right, and to the left rear sachis, cleaning and sun shining, and to the front left sachis, as well as to all the tires, to their side formation. They have applied with that rejuvenation plastic liquid. So it was an actual process of around 30 to 32 minutes for the exterior and the wheels, tires and sachis, and we can only enjoy the visual result of a 28.5 years old Nissan Primera P10 to be maintained and brought in a very satisfactory state of exterior status. With regards to the interior, it hasn't been corroded through the 28 years. It has been maintained in a very conservative way. You can see that the seats of the front driver, of the co-driver passenger, and the rear main seats not even a little, let's say, wrinkle onto the fabric of the seats is to be observed, is to be mentioned. And overall, it is a very enduring and resilient to its maintenance car, and I have, well, should all the Nissan Primera P10 owners congratulate the Japanese and British team that designed and built this very car back in the 90s. We can only enjoy the possession of this for the medium category superior car. I think in the medium category it had the best price for value for price ratio analogy, and it is still competitory with modern cars after 30-25 years of the new fleet driving in the streets all over Europe, even in the States, because also in the United States and overall to North and Central and South America there are Primeras, especially the P10s, by the code name Infinity, the G20. So it was a very successful car, and probably Nissan has to learn from its previous glorious past and to reapply the build-up, a new design, a new build-up for a new version for the Nissan Primera. It will lead Nissan Corporation to big revenues and profitabilities if the new design, if whatsoever is coming into reality, is following the innovation and the premiership, you can listen, Primera, of this design back in the 1990s. We have also applied the liquid rejuvenation liquid, the plastic rejuvenation liquid to the fenders of the wheels, to the front right and front left compartments, and this is the maintenance for this December day of 2023. Thank you very much.